Hello, I'm Saria. Welcome to my painting channel. Today we are going to draw a string of oranges on the branch. We start coloring the leaves with thin paint. For the second layer, we use a different range of colors. For the branch, we start with thin paint and then gradually add the thick paint. When painting oranges, first add a very thick layer of paint. Wash the brush and spread the paint with a clean brush. For the second layer, start applying thick paint from the sides and gradually spread the paint. In the final step, when the design is dry, we start drawing some details with thick paint. Thank you for watching.